Want to instantly boost your website's credibility and attract more local customers? Then stick around, as I'll show you how to effortlessly embed Google Places reviews onto your WordPress website in just a few simple steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need administrator access to install plugins. Now, navigate to the plugin section and click on Add New in the search bar. Type Google Reviews widget. Several excellent plugins are available, but I recommend using one with high ratings and a good number of active installations. Widget for Google Reviews is a great option. Click Install Now and then Activate. Once activated, you'll usually find the plugin settings under New menu item or within the Widget section. Under Appearance, click on the settings page for your chosen Google Reviews plugin. This is where you'll need your Google Places ID. Most plugins will guide you on how to find this. Usually, it involves searching for your business on Google Maps and copying the ID from the URL. Paste your Google Places ID into the designated field within the plugin settings. Now, customize how you want your reviews to appear. Most plugins offer options to control the number of reviews displayed, the theme, and even filter reviews based on rating. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the look. Finally, go to Appearance and then Widgets. Find the Google Reviews widget you just configured and drag it into your desired sidebar or page area. You can also use shortcodes if the plugin supports it and paste them directly into your pages or posts. And that's it. Now your website visitors can see what other customers are saying about your business, instantly building trust and credibility. Subscribe for more quick WordPress tips and tricks.